Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Konnichiwa. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. His Excellency Atasai, son, President of the University, Chancellor, distinguished members of the University, Ambassador Suzuka, Ambassador Mohabbat, Mrs. Mohabbat, all distinguished members of the faculty, the students. It's an honor to be in Japan and to be in Netidy University today. Let me first begin with congratulations to the people of Japan. I was honored to attend the ceremony of enthronement and to dine with the Crown Prince. May Japan in the new era live for 1,000 years of peace and prosperity. You've had a continuous history of 2,000 years. We are counting on you for another 2,000 years. Equally, in this moment of joy, let me express our deep sorrow to the victims of the typhoon. Each time nature hits Japan, the people of Afghanistan feel the pain. We feel that our common cultural bonds unite us both in joy and in sorrow, but may joy prevail over sorrow. I'd like to express thanks, first of all, to Matasumi-san for your work since 1971 for bringing people together. تشکر از اینکه مردم با هم نزدیک ساختین و قلبا را با هم نزدیک ساخت. And thank you for forming the Afghan-Japan Friendship Society. Your work in this has been essential for connecting our people together. So a very big thank you.
Thank you.
Second, I'd like to thank the Netidy University for honoring me today to meet with you and with the students. Which other university on earth can claim 33 Olympic medals? Congratulations on the medals. When I look at you, I expect more medals. This is a university of champions. And champions win more, and more, and more. Let me express deep appreciation, Ambassador Suzuka, to the government of Japan, to the diplomats, and to the workers of JICA. Japan's assistance has been on time, effective, efficient, transparent. It has touched the hearts and minds of the Afghans. Japan has been extraordinarily generous. It has helped us $6.6 billion since 2002. When the new moment in Afghanistan was created in 2001, Japan was the first country to offer to hold the first Tokyo conference, and you are inscribed in our hearts and mind. Thank you, the government of Japan. But I'd also like to thank the people of Japan, you, particularly the young people who are here, for being such good international citizens. Japan gives without wanting. Japan assists because it believes in freedom for all, in security for everyone, and you are a unique generation to be taking the torch of Japanese leadership to the region and to the world. So thank you to you as representatives of the people of Japan. I'd like to thank the students and the faculty, first of all, for welcoming Afghan students among you and opening your hearts, your classrooms, and your enormous learning facilities to the Afghan students. And second, for your friendship to these Afghans. My other remark briefly is on the importance of human capital. This university represents the best. What we try to do in Afghanistan today is to create human capital. I pride myself that I was a professor for 14 years. Unfortunately, 11 of them were in the United States. So I've trained a lot of American children and comparatively fewer Afghan children. Now I'm trying to make up to train 15 million Afghan children. And I need your help in this. And I hope that I have your help to train my 15 million Afghan children. Because without human capital, natural capital, of which we have plenty, is not of use. So it's important to invest in this. In here, it's not Japanese education brings some unique features, which are now being acknowledged. You bring teamwork, you bring cooperation, you bring leadership that is task-oriented, and it's not egocentric. So this system where people solve problems together, where cooperation works, and then the university becomes the model for the corporate world, is immense. But you also bring sports. You bring a healthy body and a healthy mind together. So I hope, Matasuma-san, that in the Olympic, you will be helping the Afghan team attend this time, and not only attend, but with these young heroes as their model, next time win medals in the Olympic. I could spend hours with you, but I want to thank you again for this opportunity, and I look very much forward to seeing these students and professors one day in Afghanistan, where, like the way we welcomed you, Matasuma-san, we will be able to welcome them, and like you, they will remember the pleasant experiences and continue on for decades to nurture this relationship. Thank you. Congratulations to Japan on the enthronement in the new era. Long live Afghanistan and Japan's friendship.